Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey everyone, Carhelpout here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. We're going to uncover the common problems, the quirks, the things you really need to know before you buy a used 2017 Pacifica. Whether you're hauling kids, cargo, or just cruising solo, understanding these potential issues can save you headaches and money down the road. Let's get started. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/Carhelpout and get a relief under house burden.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
First up, we're tackling one of the most common complaints about the 2017 Pacifica, the transmission. This is a 9-speed automatic, and while it's designed to be smooth and efficient, some owners have reported experiencing rough shifting, hesitation, and even delays in engagement. Imagine merging onto the highway and feeling that unsettling lag as your minivan struggles to find the right gear. The good news is that many of these transmission woes can be traced back to software glitches. Chrysler has released updates to address these issues, so if you're considering a 2017 Pacifica, make sure to check the vehicle's service history for any transmission software updates. Regular transmission maintenance is key. Your transmission will thank you for it.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's talk about a problem that's not just frustrating, but potentially dangerous: engine stalling. Imagine cruising down the road, maybe with a car full of precious cargo, and suddenly, without warning, your engine just quits. This is another issue that's been reported by some 2017 Pacifica owners. Engine stalling can be caused by faulty engine control software or problems with the fuel system. If you notice even the slightest hesitation or stumble from your engine, especially during acceleration or deceleration, don't brush it off. Get it checked out by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's face it, in today's tech-savvy world, a car's infotainment system is more than just a fancy radio. But what happens when this digital hub starts acting up? In the 2017 Pacifica, some owners have reported experiencing glitches with the Uconnect infotainment system. We're talking about unresponsive touchscreens, Bluetooth connectivity issues, and the occasional software freeze. While these problems might not be as serious as a failing transmission or a stalling engine, they can still be incredibly annoying. The good news is that many of these infotainment issues can be resolved with software updates. Chrysler has released updates to address these glitches, so make sure your Uconnect system is running the latest software version. If problems persist, a factory reset or in some cases a hardware replacement might be necessary.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's talk about the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. This eco-friendly minivan offers impressive fuel efficiency and a greener driving experience. Common complaints include battery performance and hybrid system warnings. Hybrid batteries can lose their charge over time. This affects fuel economy and electric-only range. Don't ignore hybrid system warnings. Regular maintenance ensures smooth and efficient performance.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's be honest, one of the best things about owning a minivan is the convenience of those sliding doors. But what happens when those doors decide to take an unannounced vacation? In the 2017 Pacifica, some owners have reported experiencing issues with the sliding doors. Imagine trying to quickly load up the kids for school only to find that one of the sliding doors is stuck shut. Regularly cleaning the door tracks, lubricating the moving parts, and making sure the sensors are free from obstructions can go a long way in ensuring smooth and reliable operation. However, if you do encounter a sliding door malfunction, don't panic.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's talk about the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica's suspension and steering. Imagine cruising down the road, expecting that smooth, comfortable minivan ride, but instead you're greeted with rattles, bumps, and a steering wheel that feels a bit too loose for comfort. In the 2017 Pacifica, some owners have reported experiencing suspension and steering issues, especially as the vehicles rack up miles. These issues can manifest as excessive bouncing, clunking noises over bumps, and a general feeling of looseness in the steering. Many of these problems can be traced back to worn-out suspension components like bushings, control arms, and struts. The steering system can also develop issues with tie rod ends and steering rack components wearing out and causing that loose or unresponsive feeling in the steering wheel.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 7. Rust and Corrosion. The silent threat to your Pacifica. Let's talk about a problem that can affect any car, regardless of its brand or model: rust and corrosion. While the 2017 Pacifica isn't particularly known for being a rust bucket, some owners, especially those living in areas with harsh winter conditions, have reported experiencing premature rusting. Rust starts slowly, often in hidden areas like wheel wells, underbody panels, and door sills. Left unchecked, it can spread like wildfire, compromising the structural integrity of your vehicle and leading to costly repairs. Preventing rust is far easier than trying to cure it once it takes hold.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 8. Fuel Pump Recall. Addressing a critical concern, a recall for the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica addressed a serious fuel pump issue. Both gasoline and hybrid models were affected by a faulty fuel pump. The pump could crack, causing fuel leaks and engine stalling. This increased the risk of accidents, especially in traffic. Chrysler's recall allows free replacement of the faulty pump at authorized dealerships.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 9 is the 2017 Pacifica right for you, weighing the pros and cons. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've explored the common problems, the quirks, the things that make the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica unique. But the big question remains, is this the right minivan for you? On the plus side, it's stylish, spacious, and packed with family-friendly features. It offers a comfortable ride, plenty of cargo space, and available all-wheel drive for added peace of mind. But it's also essential to acknowledge the potential downsides. These issues, while not necessarily deal breakers, highlight the importance of thorough research and careful consideration before purchasing a used 2017 Pacifica. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy this minivan comes down to your individual needs, preferences, and risk tolerance.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Outro final thoughts. Navigating the road ahead. So, is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica reliable? Overall, yes. While it has its quirks, proper maintenance and addressing these common problems early can keep this minivan running smoothly for years to come. Remember, every vehicle has its strengths and weaknesses. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else,
Carhelpout.com.
we can help you with
It's the
PPI
convenience.
inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your experience with the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.